This year, we can reinvest even more money in your service, your water and your community, rather than it going to pay dividends to shareholders as it would in other companies. Here are 6 investment options that we'd like you to help us prioritise. 1. Extra help for people who struggle. We currently help around 55,000 people who genuinely struggle to pay their bills by offering them a lower tariff. Would you like us to do even more to help people with household incomes below £15,000? 2. Supporting projects for our communities. Investing more here will increase our recreational facilities, helping tourism and the local economy. We can also expand our education programme or support other local community projects that will bring wider benefits for customers. 3. Speeding up improvements for people with repeat problems. We aim to give excellent service for everyone, but a small number of customers and communities are at greater risk of suffering repeat problems, such as discoloured water or sewer flooding. We're currently investing heavily in our service, but would you like us to invest more to speed up improvements for these customers even further? 4. Money off bills for you. We've kept bill increases below the rate of inflation for 6 years and intend to continue to keep them below inflation until at least 2020. But you may prefer us to give you some extra money back now as a one-off payment. It would mean a slightly lower bill for you in that year, but we won't be able to invest quite as much in other priorities. 5. Reducing risk for peace of mind. If we invest more now in our pipes, pumps and treatment works, we can continue to deliver the same great service in the future. This would make us even more prepared for any major service problems that could affect our customers, from making our water network more resilient to reducing flooding for our communities. 6. Investing now for future savings. By investing more in innovation, technology and increasing our renewable energy production, we can make our work ever more efficient, reduce our impact on the environment and bring your bills down in the long run. So, there are 6 options. Hit next and move the sliders to show us what matters most to you.